How to unhide apps on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. You have just hid some of the apps on your device and you are not able to get access to those apps, then make sure to watch this video till the end. So what you have to do is head towards the app library. Once you're in the app library, scroll down. At the bottom you'll find this hidden section. Click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your iPhone's passcode or use your Face ID. Complete that process. With that, you're gonna find the list of the apps that you have hidden. Now you can head over to any of the app that you wanna unhide. Press and hold on the app. Click on the option Don't require passcode or Face ID. Once again, you'll be prompted to enter your passcode or use your Face ID. Once you complete that process, the app will appear in your home screen. You can do the same for other apps as well. Press and hold on the app, click on Don't require passcode, enter your passcode or use your Face ID, and just with that, app will appear in your home screen. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily unhide apps on iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.